There are many products available to choose smart mirrors, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best smart mirrors from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. BYECOLD Smart Bathroom Mirror. Revamping your bathroom doesn't have to mean an entire gut and redo. A smart mirror like this sleek, frameless one from BYECOLD is a great multi-purpose focal point in your space. This mirror is simple, with just one touch button along the bottom of the screen so you can easily access major features like time and date. The defogger eliminates condensation and steam from a hot shower, and the backlighting is adjustable to warm or light tones to be easier on your eyes at night or first thing in the morning. There is a dedicated app available that is compatible with Androids and Apple devices, so you can customize your display experience from your phone. Number 2. Bonnlo Bluetooth Mirror. This modern smart mirror is savvy and affordable, with no more features than you really need. The on-screen buttons allow you to adjust the defogger, brightness, and Bluetooth connectivity, with built-in speakers for listening to your favorite music or podcasts. This mirror is versatile, mounting horizontally or vertically, and you can hardwire it if you want to turn it on and off with a wall switch. Number 3. LTMIRROR Lighted Smart Bathroom Mirror with Bluetooth Speaker. Having your own personal concert in the shower has never been easier. This smart mirror comes with dual Bluetooth speakers for 360-degree surround sound. Thanks to the defogging feature, you don't have to deal with lingering steam. Although with an IP54 rating, the mirror is safe from dust buildup and water. There are 3 different color temperature settings for the lights: white, warm, and daylight, and they're all dimmable to match the mood. Just long press the button on the screen for seamless adjustment. Number 4. Echelon Smart Connect Fitness Mirror. Save yourself a trip to your crowded local gym and work out at home instead with this smart fitness training mirror. Just tap the embedded touch screen to access your Echelon membership, which includes workout classes like HIIT, yoga, Pilates, and more. You can view your reflection as a trainer guides you through an exercise, so you can monitor and alter your form as needed. There's also a built-in camera for live workout sessions. The system display monitors your real-time stats, like your heart rate or calories burned, to motivate you through your workout. The mirror comes with 30 days of Echelon Premier for free, and costs about $35 per month after the trial, which may seem like a lot, but it's peanuts compared to a gym membership. Number 5. GESIPOR LED Smart Bathroom Mirror. Start your morning off right with glowing natural light from your LED smart mirror. This design has 3 different temperature settings that can be dimmed, and the memory button recalls the last setting so you don't have to alter controls every time you want to use the mirror. There is an included wireless wall switch, so you can control the mirror from anywhere in the room. The smart mirror can be powered by plug or hard wire, so it's a great fit for more than just your bathroom. It comes with warm and cool dimmable lights and a Bluetooth speaker for streaming audio, though some users say the speakers aren't great quality. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make you life much more easier.